Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play King Von on ukulele. We will begin by mastering 4 essential chords: C, G, M, and F. These chords form the foundation for many popular songs. Focus on clear finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. Practice strumming downwards with your index finger to establish a consistent rhythm. This initial step is crucial for building your ukulele skills. Next, let's explore strumming patterns to capture the feel of King Von's music. A basic down-up pattern works well. Try to emphasize the first beat of each measure, giving it a strong, driving pulse. Experiment with varying your strumming intensity, sometimes softer, sometimes louder, to add dynamic interest. Maintaining a steady tempo is key for a cohesive sound. Now, let's look at how songs are structured. Many King Von tracks utilize common 4-chord progressions, often repeating throughout the verse and chorus. Identify the different sections like the verse, chorus, and bridge. Practice playing the chord changes in the correct sequence, paying attention to the timing. Listening closely to the original song will help you internalize these progressions and play along accurately. Consistent practice is vital for improvement. Aim for at least 15 minutes every day to build muscle memory and refine your technique. Using a metronome will significantly enhance your timing and rhythmic precision. Consider recording yourself playing. It's an excellent way to objectively identify areas where you can improve. Finally, explore online resources for ukulele tabs of other King Von songs to expand your repertoire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.